Hi, I'm Erin St. Blaine for Adafruit, and for today's project, we are making this adorable light-up mushroom mob. We're using the Mini Sparkle Motion Controller with WLED, a free open-source control program. For the lights, we're using an addressable fairy light strand that could be easily bent into whatever shape you like. We're making the mushroom stems and caps out of hot glue. Turn on sound reactive mode for extra fun.
Hello. Hello, mushrooms.
Change colors or create modes with any web-enabled smartphone or device. See the full build tutorial at learn.adafruit.com. And remember to like us and subscribe if you want more videos about fun DIY projects.